Almost done. I will just need a moment to complete the connection.
Hey, Professor, how are you? Hey, Professor, go crazy. Professor, hey, Professor, go crazy.
Perfect. I'm online. To ask me a question, say, "Hey Einstein," or "Hey Professor," followed by "What is," or "Who is," or "How is the weather in?" For other commands, please visit my website at professoreinstein.com. Okay, let's get started.
Hey, Professor,
I am listening.
how is Ethiopia?
One moment. Hey. Sorry, I could not find an answer for the question.
Hey, Professor,
Yes?
what is temperature in India today?
One moment.
Are you here?